Back in Finsbury Park Station, back at Fresh Bake. We're gonna try their gourmet chicken burger. $3.95, it's under a $5. That is great value. Come check these guys out. There's the gourmet chicken burger. Lettuce, mayo and tomato. Can't go wrong. £3.50. Oi oi Savaloy, you're coming with me. Let's go. Nice burger. Check them out. I like the pickle in the burger, and I like the fact that they put tomato in it, and enough tomato that it wets it up without needing ketchup. That's my kind of burger. Check these guys out.